Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you why cold showers are bad for your gains. Now if you want to have big muscle, you have to understand this one thing, and that is that cold showers might be slowing down your progress. Now you might ask why and who am I to even talk about this. Now I'm Thomas, I've been lifting for the past 3 years and I've been trying to improve my lifting journey. Now in this video you will understand a little bit more. So let me kind of give you my quick story about how I did cold showers for 2 years. So I started doing cold showers because everybody online was doing it. Literally, you see guys doing them, you see a lot of motivational speakers telling you to start doing cold showers every single day because it is great for your mind, which it is kind of. Then I started doing it. I started doing it every single day. Now they're uncomfortable every day because you are doing first thing in the morning and it's something you don't want to do. So it's kind of great for your mentality, but not as great for your muscle. Now I didn't know that. I thought it is great for my recovery because you're actually bringing down the inflammation down, and that's why you can recover more. Now, obviously, I thought this because everybody was telling me that cold shower is great. That's why I did it. So I did it for 2 years straight, every single day. And the point was, I was doing a lot of things wrong. At the time, I was training high volume. I did a lot of sets. I did a lot of reps. And I trained push-pull legs. Now, I was pushing my body because I train with a few dumbbells in my home and I kind of don't want to do anything, so I did a lot of reps and I was constantly sore, and that's why I did cold showers, to bring the inflammation down. And I thought that this is the right way, until I realized it was stopping my gains. Let me explain you why. Now, I switched my training split, which is the most important, but I stopped doing cold showers. Now, why cold showers are bad for you? Because cold showers might lower your inflammation, which is really good. So if you have some problems with your some injury or some tendon tears or any kind of pain, I think that is the great thing to do, because cold showers can literally bring the inflammation down. So, to give you an example, I started training for arm wrestling because I wasn't training it, I was going around the world in Tokyo, in Bali, and I didn't train for arm wrestling. I started training a little bit heavier than I thought, and I overtrained my tendons and ligaments. And now, when I'm trying to go heavy, I'm feeling pain. So that's why I'm using cold therapy just for my tendons. I'm not using for my gains, but for my tendons. So if this is your goal, then obviously you can do it. But if you want to build aesthetic physique and that bigger bicep, you have to get cold shower out of your mind. Why? Because cold shower is doing this one thing, and that is stop muscle protein synthesis. Now, what is this word? It is basically after you're done with training, your muscle protein synthesis spike. And that's the mechanism that tells your body we need to repair and grow to adapt. And if you're going to do cold shower, you're literally stopping this process. Now, you might maybe think that, no, I'm not doing right after. I'm doing in the morning. Does it count? Yes. Because let's say if you're going to work out at 6 p.m., you wake up at, I don't know, 6 a.m. and then you go to cold. Now you're still making this synthesis and you're shutting down your body and you're literally stopping this process. Now you might bring down the inflammation, but you're stopping this process, and that's why you will look the same. You will look the same, and I looked the same for few years. For 2 years, after that month, I looked the same because I was constantly doing cold showers, which slowed down this process of building muscle mass. And I didn't know what I was doing and why I couldn't progress. And this is because I was doing cold showers every single day. And when you understand that cold showers are a good tool for recovery of tendons and joints, but not good for actual building muscle size, you can use that to your advantage. And that's why I'm not saying cold showers are entirely bad, because it can help you with your motivation, with discipline, with your joint health, and many different things, obviously. But for muscle growth, it is not as great. Because now it is starting to get colder. Now when I'm recording this, it's November, and November is starting cold to occur. So that's why everybody starts doing cold bath, ice plunging, everything. But if you want to progress and make the biggest gains and get to your peak shape, that's why you have to stop doing cold showers, because you will kill this process. Now, what I mentioned before, I also switched to high frequency training. So I'm not gonna explain this because I have others videos so you can check it out. But if you want to know my exact routine, the first link in the description is my free training blueprint that you can follow, and it's everything I learned, and you can just follow it and you will see literally 2 centimeters on your biceps like I did in just 1 month. If you're going to lock in and if you do everything I said in that. It's my best work yet, so you can just read it out. And this was it. If you like this video, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and like I said, download this because it is like literally game changer. So now you know why cold showers are bad, and see you in next one.